This is like a man's shirt size. Oh, I didn't expect that. Hi everyone and welcome back to It's Cam's hauls. Yes, I have got a very exciting haul. Why? Because it's a Zara haul. Everyone loves Zara. I mean, who doesn't? The only thing we don't like is their website. Can everyone agree? Can everyone agree? Because their website is so like strange, like the way they've done the models and pictures. So like the clothing, you can't really tell what it's gonna look like on. So either you have to watch hauls or you're just gonna have to wait until the store's open. I did not expect the quality of this top to be that good. Let me come a bit closer, but it's like lilac and black. Half lilac, half black. I cannot believe how nice this top is. I did not expect it. I literally thought, actually, do you know what? This is a bodysuit, so, but the quality of this is so comfortable and it's so nice. Like literally, it's like this slinky. Is it slinky? Is it? Yeah, should we say it's slinky? But this top is gorgeous. Bodysuit is gorgeous. Hopefully I'm showing you guys properly, but this top is amazing. I cannot believe this top matches together really well. This is like a man's shirt size. This is an extra small and look how oversized this is. I think that's what it is supposed to be. It's supposed to be oversized, but nothing a belt will fix, will it? Or I think, do you know what, these would look nice with just trousers on. Is that a bit too much for this shirt? Oh, see, that looks much better. Just cinch it in the waist and it just gives you the shape. I mean, I think I'll just like make the sleeves a bit shorter. It might be nice just having it oversized like that, but this is really nice as well. I like the print. What is it like? You've got tigers. Yeah, just like really nice tigers all over the shirt and at the back as well. Literally, I look like a bat. Honestly, what is this? But at least the sleeves are nice and tight. This is another oversized shirt dress in black. Obviously, I love the colour black because it goes with every outfit, every accessory, anything and everything, and you can't go wrong with black. So this shirt dress is actually quite nice. It's not that long, it is quite short, and this is a size extra small as well. And look, this is quite, it's like a men's shirt but tight on the sleeves. But let me show you what it's like on with like some black jeans. Okay, these jeans are not going on. Come on. Sorry if I'm making all these noises, but these jeans are just not going on.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
This shirt dress is all me. This is all me. Showing a bit of shoulder. Are we now? Yes. But yeah, I think I prefer this, wearing it with trousers or jeans or whatever. But yeah, this is very beautiful, chic, and bats. Yeah, this is a top, like a normal top, and you can turn it into literally a crop top. So you've got these tie-ups on the side which are really nice, if I can tie a bow properly. But yeah, just like that. Wow, look, just transforms your whole outfit. Yes, now this is nice. I actually like this top, and this wasn't that expensive. I'll put all the prices down below in the description box, but I think I got this in a size small, if I can reach and see, what does that say? Yeah, I got a size small. Oh, this is really nice. Definitely love it. Love this top, yes. And the back, I've not tied it up properly. I'm sure there was a button somewhere. Oh, actually, I put the button on. I thought I couldn't. But, yeah, that's the back. Hopefully you can see it. It's sort of like a racer bag. I think that's what you call it. But, yeah, this top is actually really nice. And it's like sort of like a satin material. Yeah, it is sort of like a satin material. But this is what it's like on. I just paired it with some cycling shorts because I couldn't go through that drama that I just went through putting those jeans on. So I needed to put some shorts on. So I just got these cycling shorts on with this top. I'm probably not going to wear it with this. I'll probably wear it with something else. But I just thought, we're not focusing on these, we're focusing on the top. So I thought I'd show you. But this is what it's like on cropped. And I think you can make it even more smaller. But this is really nice and tight. Like, this is a perfect size, I would say. And then you could just untie it and make it into a normal top. And you can just leave them hanging out. But yeah, this is completely out of my comfort zone. Like, look at these frills. I just can't believe I bought this cardigan top. It's sort, yeah, it is like a cardigan top really. But I got this in a size small and I got a size medium, and lucky I bought the small because the small fit me much better than the medium because it is still quite large. So, but I do like it, but I don't know where the hell I'm gonna go wear it. And I got these jeans from Zara. Can you believe these jeans were $12.99? I'm trying to show you, but I can't lift it up. Anyways, these jeans were $12.99 and they're like flared. Let me see if I can show you, but they're like flare at the bottom. But these jeans are really nice. Actually, let me just move the camera a bit down so I can show you properly. But look, I'm wearing heels and they're still so like flowy. But all in all, these jeans do fit really well actually. They do fit quite well, which I'm quite happy. Because you know Zara and their jeans, they come up really weird sizes. But it was a struggle getting it on, but it was worth it because they fit so nice. And these I got in a size 38, which says is a size 10. So, I mean, lucky I got a size 10. I was about to go for the 8. But then, you know, on Zara, they've got this thing where you can measure, like, you can fill in some details like your height, your weight and all that. And it will tell you what sort of jeans will be perfect fit for you or whatever you want. And it is said most likely a size 10 rather than an 8, so that persuaded me to go for a 10. But I think, yeah, and it's still got just a tiny bit of stretch in them as well. Just a nice plain top. Do you know what? On the model it actually looked nicer than it does on me. I don't think this is my colour, because I'm sure it said it was blue, but this looks more lilac-y. Yeah, this definitely, I mean, I like it. Maybe it's just because I paired it with these jeans. They don't really look nice together. I don't know. But the way she was wearing it looked much better on the model than it does on me. I think I do like this tie-up bit, but maybe like that would look, oh, I don't know, to be honest. What do you think, guys? Does this look nice? Wait, let's see, even the back. Is it me or does this top look a bit weird? I mean, it's a plain cheap top. I think it was only $8.99 or something like that. So, I mean, it's a plain cheap top, but It's just got the tie up there. I mean, the quality is quite good, I'm not gonna lie. The quality is really good, but it's Zara. Zara's quality is always amazing. Like, everything in this haul, the quality has been absolutely amazing. So I mean, yeah, I think I like it. I'll probably just wear it around the house and that's it. I won't, this is not really an out top. With a white blazer and white trousers, these would definitely look nice. But I'm definitely keeping this top, even though I've already got a mark on it. I'll probably just put it in the wash now before the stain doesn't come out. But yeah, definitely these with white trousers and a blazer, or even a black blazer. No, I think white blazer would look better. Or maybe I could get away with a black blazer, but yeah. Anyways, this top is actually nice. £9.99. This top was £9.99. Literally worth it, worth every penny. It's the top that everyone has on Instagram, literally. All I see is people in this nude, like, halter neck top. And they've got so many colours in this bodysuit as well. It's a bodysuit, yeah. Bodysuit, sorry, not a top. But, and I paired it with these chocolate cycling shorts. Even though, do you know what? It doesn't do the justice of this top. But this top is really nice. I think I should have paired it with something else. But, oh well. Anyways, this top, it's like a racer. Yeah, this is definitely a racer back top. But it's like nude, really nice nude colour. That's what it's like close up. But yeah, I think this is really nice. This is the end of the haul. Yes, the end of the haul after that whole mess that I've made on the floor. But all in all, I think I do like majority of the stuff that I bought. I'll probably return like 1 or 2 items, but other than that, everything was literally perfect, fit perfect, loved it, apart from the oversized shirt, but hey, it's supposed to be oversized. Anyway, so thanks for watching this haul, guys. Make sure if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure to leave a comment down below. Yes, leave a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more videos next week and the week after. I'll probably do like a hair video tutorial, whatever, next week, and the week after I've got something exciting. So make sure to subscribe. Yes, make sure to subscribe. Anyways, thanks guys, bye.